Hey guys, welcome to my channel CoDroiD, and today is the last day of Python. So it's a day 4 of first step to Python, and yeah, I think you have learned a lot from Python day 1 to day 3. And so in this video also you will learn something new regarding Python. So today we will talk about ending statement. So today let's see what we will print. And yeah, the Python notes are online. You don't have to download any assets, or you have to click on this link and you will get an online PDF. You can watch it from my video's description. And yeah, if you want to test Python inside your computer, if you do on a big project, so you will not have this online interpreter. You have to use your inside Python editor. So for Python text editor, you are having PyCharm. It's a professional Python text editor, and for editing anything you need to Python install in your computer, because from the first of this the operating system, the Python is not installed in inside your computer. So let's get started. So today we'll use Techie's code playground, because my programize.com, the online interpreter, has gone down for a few minutes, so while recording video, so I think I have to use this only for today's session. So let's get started with our video. So for printing anything, you know the thing, you have to put a print statement, print command, then first bracket, then double quotes. The double quote we will use happiness. So I have forgotten you to tell one thing. So today we will print this thing. Happiness is programming all day, and we're using the end statement. We will print this smiley using end statement. So happiness, then again comma, then for double quote. Inside that we will write is, then again double quote, programming, then again comma, then double quote, all, then again comma, then double quote, day, then again comma, then double quote, no double quote. Now we will use our end statement, then I will pass is equal to, then double quote. Inside that we will print this smiley. So let's see that our result is coming or not. So yeah, our result has came. Happiness is programming all day. So let's check another. Okay, happiness. So I think you have learned a lot from this video. So I think this will help you in many things regarding Python. So please subscribe to my channel, because this Python's main projects are coming soon in my channels. Okay, so I think you have learned a lot. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and like this video, share this video, and I will meet you in another video. So bye bye.